RMS Training Videos, SMTP Accounts Tab. Before we get started with the SMTP Accounts tab, I want to make sure you have watched the Create Your Domain Email video and created your domain email. If you haven't done this already, please stop this video and create your domain email now. The SMTP acronym stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It's a software that's on the internet that transfers email from one location to another. In this case, we're using the SMTP of a hosting company to send the email to its destination. Under the SMTP Accounts tab, you will see two windows. The small window on the left is the SMTP Servers window. Here we will enter the information provided by the hosting companies you have signed up with. Next, select the Add button next to the left window. In the SMTP field, type in the word mail, M-A-I-L, dot, and then the domain you selected when you signed up with the hosting company. In this case, I'll put in my domain of advancedtechinc.com. We will then set up our port. In most cases, our port will be port 26. In the case of a Yahoo sharing hosting, the port number is 465. RMS Training Videos, SMTP Accounts tab. You will also see Allow AOL. Do not select this unless you have a hosting company that allows sending to AOL, such as Arvix. Now select the OK button, and you'll see the SMT server name in the left window. Go ahead and click on the SMTP server name and highlight it. We will then want to go to the right window and click on Add. We now want to enter the email that we created when we went into our cPanel for our domain. So go ahead and put that email in now. I'm going to enter the email camassociates@advancedtechinc.com. This same email address now gets entered in for the username. The easiest way to accomplish this is to highlight the one you just entered, right-click, click on Copy, and then paste it into the username. In the password, we want to enter the password we created for our email. Then click OK. You will notice that camassociates@advancedinc.com has been populated into our window. If you have created another email in your cPanel for your domain, go ahead and repeat this process to enter the email in now. Let's make sure the SMTP and its email accounts were set up correctly. On the lower left, you will see a Test SMTP Accounts section. Select the Start button. Note, you must be online to test your SMTP accounts. If you notice, my SMTP accounts say 1 good and a total of 1. If I would have had 2 emails in my accounts, this number should read 2 and 2. When you test your accounts, if all the accounts do not come up as good, then you need to go back into your email accounts, make sure that everything is spelled correctly, make sure you have the password entered correctly. If you're still having a problem, then make sure everything in your SMTP servers is entered correctly. If the problem continues, then go into RMS support site, into the trainer section, then locate a trainer to help you with the problem. This concludes the RMS training video on the SMTP Accounts tab.